Hey, what is up everyone? And today I'm going to show you guys one of my favorite money making methods, okay? It's super awesome and very simple. Quickly before that, guys, if you want easy step-by-step videos showing exactly how to make money online and at home. So now let's get into this video showing exactly how to make money, and it's a very simple method here. It's one of my favorite methods just because it's so valuable. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and type in Khan Academy. I'm sure a lot of you guys are familiar with Khan Academy, but for those of you who aren't, it's basically this educational website, okay? And it's a non-profit educational website, meaning they don't make any money off of this website, okay? It's really helped funded by people who donate to the website and all that kind of good stuff. But basically, I've used Khan Academy a lot all throughout high school and college to help learn things and kind of fill in the holes where my education didn't really teach me well enough. So as you can see, we've gone to the khanacademy.org website here. As you can tell, it says, you can learn anything for free for everyone forever, okay? And as you can see, all you have to do is sort of scroll through the website and you'll see that they teach a bunch of these subjects. They teach things like math by subject, math by grade, science and engineering, computing, computer programming. This is really important to learn, okay? Computer science and things like that. Super relevant to future careers. But anyway, that's not the point. What I'm going to show you how to do is I'm going to show you how to make money with Khan Academy in a very kind of tricky and fun and very smart way here. So what you want to learn first, or what you want to do first, is actually learn a certain topic, all right? And this is actually really easy in case you guys are like, oh, I don't want to learn something, okay? It's actually extremely easy. If I just go to something like geometry and math by subject, then all I have to do is go through all of these little modules here, and I can just click on an example module, Geometry Foundations, and all I have to do is learn this topic pretty well, and then I'm going to sell that understanding. So as you can tell here, all you have to do is click on some of these videos and then watch these videos and then go through and watch all these videos. All right, and you can literally learn like the entirety of geometry within a very short period of time just because it's so easy to learn this stuff, all right? So you learn geometry, you learn physics, you learn something like that. Oops, went back a little too far here. Anyway, the point is that if you master a subject, or if you're already really good at a subject, so if you went through college and you got your degree, or if you went through high school and you're really good at something, well, what that means is that you can leverage that and sell that and earn a bunch of money through it, okay? And it's super easy. I want to stress that it's very easy to do this. You just need to be a little bit creative, and I'm going to give you completely free that creative aspect here. So all you have to do is learn a quick subject, and again, you can also have that subject in your mind already, right? It's not something you have to learn, but Khan Academy is a great resource in case you're not amazing at one thing already. But let's say you are. Well, what do you do next? Well, what you're going to do is you're going to go to Fiverr.com. And if you don't know what Fiverr is this place where you sell skills. You sell, basically people pay other people to do something, all right? And you're going to be paid on Fiverr. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to Fiverr. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click Fun and Lifestyle. Okay. And this is Fiverr.com, Fiverr.com, in case you guys don't know here. And then I'm going to go ahead and click Online Lessons. So again, if you just go to the Fiverr main page, it's under Fun and Lifestyle and then Online Lessons here. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to click Online Lessons, okay, under Fun and Lifestyle. And then I'm going to show you guys all of these little gigs here. Do you see this? I will help in math, calculus, algebra, numerical analysis, things like that. This person will also help you in math. This person will help you in mechanical engineering projects, trigonometry. Basically, there's all these tutors on Fiverr, and you can very easily become a tutor by just teaching yourself a certain subject, mastering that skill, that particular skill, and then helping people out with that topic. So, one of my favorite ones is, economics, because geez, I was a business and computer science major in college. And so this is really relevant to me. Here's another economics one, civil engineering. I will tutor you related to electrical engineering, algebra, statistics, chemistry, biology, all these people who are selling these skills. Okay. And so let's just look at a random one right here. Let's just look at the first one. So I will help you with calculus, algebra, and trigonometry, starting at $10, okay? So this person literally just helps people with math, and it's really, really easy. So I will offer specialized help with any kind of math problems, things like that, and you can be this person. It's super, super simple to do this, okay? All you have to do is go to Khan Academy and learn stuff. And this will like literally transfer your skills into money. Okay. All you have to do is go ahead and become a seller. So you go to Fiverr.com and you click become a seller, and then they'll get you set up, and it's completely free to join. And then you just post your gig. You know, if you learn Spanish really well in high school, or if you learn math really well, or if you're really good at chemistry or history or anything like that, you can help tutor people on Fiverr.com. And again, it's just under fun and lifestyle and then online lessons here. So another way to profit from this is YouTube, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and type in YouTube. And first of all, YouTube's a great place to learn stuff. If you haven't already learned stuff, you can do stuff like, math videos, all right? And literally there's a million of these math people here. But as you can see, if you go to, how to do differential equations. All right, so how to do differential equations, okay? You're gonna come up with, well, first of all, Khan Academy, but also this guy named Patrick JMT. And so let's just click on this dude, Patrick JMT, all right? Well, this is a YouTuber, okay? And I don't wanna, I'm gonna, here, I'm gonna try to just go to his channel here. And all you can do is become a YouTube tutor, okay? So you can not only learn stuff on YouTube, but you can also become a YouTube tutor. And as you can see, this guy has 850,000 subscribers, 850,000 subscribers just by making these math tutoring videos. And you can learn all of those subjects on Khan Academy. So basically you learn something and then you teach it to other people for money. That's the whole goal here, okay? Another amazing place to go for free information is MIT Open Course. Okay, and this will literally teach you all this stuff. So MIT has their own sort of Khan Academy version of Khan Academy where they produce a lot of free educational stuff. So if you go to the MIT Open Courseware, then they'll show you all this stuff. Okay, you can view the new course. You can view all these different kinds of courses. They have Python programming courses, all right? So if you go to find courses here, you can literally just do new courses, most visited courses. Let's click on most visited courses. Linear algebra, okay? Introduction to computer science and programming in Python, single variable calculus, all this fun stuff, all right? Maybe not so fun, but basically you can just learn this, click it, and learn the entire topic from MIT. And the great thing about this is that you're never graded, you're never evaluated for this, okay? It's just based off of, do you know it and can you learn this in your own time? And you can learn things not only through YouTube and through Khan Academy, but also through this MIT Open Courseware. And then you can sell it on Fiverr, or you can create your own YouTube channel like this dude, Patrick JMT, and have these, 850,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel. Because if you aren't aware, YouTube is extremely profitable for people if you make videos teaching something, okay? So we can just go back here and, YouTube is extremely useful, this company right here, okay? So all you have to do is create your own YouTube channel or sell stuff on Fiverr, or what you can do, the last thing I recommend is just go to the Google search bar and say, become a tutor, become an online tutor, all right? And people will pay top dollar for this kind of stuff. All right, earn up to $60 per hour becoming an online tutor for collegepirates.com. Okay, apply for online tutoring jobs at TutorMe. All right, TutorMe is another great place to do it. PT Money, Dream Home-Based Work, all right, tutor.com. Let's just choose one of these. We can choose tutorme.com. And all you have to do is go here and, tutorme.com, do apply now, and really become a tutor, and they will set you up for all of this, okay? You can earn $18 per hour plus bonuses to share your knowledge with others. You can decide when and how often you want to tutor, when and where you want to work. You can tutor from anywhere you have a computer with an internet access. It's super, super simple, okay? You start the application, including your, education and all that stuff, what your skills are, and then you just become a tutor and teach people stuff. $18 an hour is fantastic, all right? Khan Academy teaches you everything you need to know. You can sell it on Fiverr, you can create a YouTube channel, but the basic point here is this, all right? People make money by doing this, all right? They turn their skill, okay, they learn a skill, master a skill, and then they sell the skill, okay? This is the basic way that people make money online. And so learning a skill, well, what's a skill that everybody needs to know? Basic educational stuff, all right? People have to go through school. And so this is an amazing skill to learn because basically everybody needs to know it. So if you can really leverage your educational skills, this is a wonderful way to make money online by teaching people. It's also a very morally good way to teach or to make money online because you're just expanding the world's knowledge. And so it's really, really fun. And I've dabbled in a lot of this kind of stuff. I started a Spanish YouTube channel, like teaching people Spanish a couple of years ago with my friend, and it was pretty successful and we had a lot of fun with it. And so it's just one of the best ways that you can go about making money online, and it's a super, super valuable way to do it. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to teach you guys exactly how to make money online with free educational stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys learned something. Go ahead and check out Khan Academy. Go ahead and check out, this open courseware by MIT, Becoming a Tutor, and Fiverr and YouTube, of course. So that's pretty much that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video once again. And yeah, quickly before we end this video up, if you want easy step-by-step videos showing exactly how to make money online at home, don't forget to subscribe.